Hey, what's up people, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll show you how to disable comments in WordPress. So without wasting further time, let's get started. As you can see, I'm inside the WordPress dashboard. So I'll show you two methods. One is to disable this from the settings, and another one is to disable this for all the posts. So once you log into your WordPress dashboard, just go to settings, hover over to settings and go to discussions, and here in this default post settings you'll have to disable this allow people to submit comments on new post. And the catch here is this will not be applied to all the old posts that you have, all the previous posts that you have posted on your website. So if once you disable this, it will still will only apply on your new post, as you can read here. And once you disable this, you can scroll down and click on save changes. And once these settings are saved, any new post that you post on this website will not have the comment section. The people will not be allowed to comment on that post. However, if you ask me, you have old post or previous post that you want to restrict people from commenting. For that, just go to post, select all post, and from here select the post, whichever the post or the blocks that you want to stop people from commenting. I've selected these two. Click on bulk action, select edit, and click on apply. And here this will open a new settings. From here you'll have to change the comments from the top down to do not allow, and click on update. And now this will be applied to your previous post. So that's how you can block or you can stop people from commenting for your future post as well as for your existing post using this method. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.